In this lecture, we are going to cover one last template. So far, we've been working with WordPress's template hierarchy. However, we may want to offer additional options that aren't covered by the hierarchy. For example, what if we had a template for a full-width page? It's possible to offer custom templates for our theme. Currently, I'm viewing the documentation for the page template. We overlooked the first template during our discussion. Let's take a closer look at what it says. WordPress allows users to select a custom template for pages. If a custom template is specified, WordPress will load the template over the other templates. It has the highest priority. Before creating a custom template, we must register it. Custom template registration can be done through the theme.json file. In your code editor, open the theme.json file. It's been a while since we've looked at this file. The theme.json file can be helpful for registering custom templates. At the bottom of the object, add an array called custom templates. This array accepts objects where each object represents a single template. Let's register our first template. Inside this object, add a property called name. The name property must be set to the file name of the custom template without the extension. For example, if we had a custom template with the file name bread.html, the name property should be set to bread. For our template, we're going to call it full width page. The file name should be short and concise. The next property is called title. The value for this property should be a human-readable name. It'll be presented to the user on the front end. Let's set the title property to full width page. The last property is called post types. The post types property is an array of post types that the template can be applied to. We have the option of restricting the template to specific post types. This includes custom post types. Let's pass in the page post type. Our template has been registered. We can start creating it. Inside the templates folder, create a file called full width page. The name of the file must match the value of the name property. Next, let's transfer the blocks from the page template to the full width page. The full width page template will be similar to the page template but without the sidebar. As you can imagine, our next step is to remove the sidebar with the full site editor. In your browser, refresh the list of templates. On the list, the full width page template should appear as an option. Unlike the other templates, our custom templates will be void of a description. Let's click on it. Converting the template to full width is easier than you can imagine. Click on the columns block. The number of columns can be configured. Be careful when modifying this setting. If you lower the number of columns, you will lose the blocks from within a column. Let's set the number of columns to 1. Conveniently, this will remove the sidebar. Grab a copy of all the blocks in this template. Next, go back to the full width page HTML file. Overwrite the current blocks with the latest copies. After making those changes, our template is ready. We won't be able to test our work until we've modified a page to use our custom templates. Custom templates don't get applied unless they're specifically applied by the user. Head on over to the WordPress admin dashboard. Let's modify one of the pages. On the sidebar, there's a panel called Templates. WordPress will present us with the option of changing the template to a different template. Let's select our template from the list and save the page. Next, let's view the page on the front end. Perfect! Our custom template has been created. With that final template created, we're finished with developing our theme. There are additional topics that we can explore, but let's move on to block development. Our theme will be revisited after creating a few blocks. I know you're excited to get started. When you're ready, I'll see you in the next section.